Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to stop video pause continue watching pop-up on YouTube. And before I start, make sure you enable subtitles to my videos to understand what I say. So yeah, let's start. Many of you are probably confused by what I mean in the title, but for the ones that have searched this and want a solution, they know exactly what I mean. But for the ones that do not know, let me explain you what I mean by that. So let's say that you have a party at your house and you have put your computer as a DJ and you have put some songs on YouTube in Chrome. And you have put those songs as a loop and playing the next songs as well. After 10 minutes or so, YouTube will pop up this window right here saying video pause, continue watching, click yes. And this can be quite annoying if you are partying at your house because every 10 minutes you have to click yes just for the song to continue. And in this video I will show you how to stop that from happening by using an extension. So yeah, let's head straight to the video. This video is specifically for Chrome. I have tested it on Edge as well and it works perfectly fine. I have not found any issues so far, but I'm not sure about other browsers, for example Opera, Safari and all of those browsers, but the one that works the best for me right now is Chrome and Edge. So to download the extension on Chrome, head to the description and click the link to the extension, and once you have clicked it, this is what you should see right here, YouTube Nonstop. And really simply what you need to do, you need to click Add Chrome, another window will pop up, just click Add Extension, and this is basically it. The extension has been added, as you can see right here, and yeah, that's pretty much it, what you need to do on Chrome. If you want, try it right now, if it works on Chrome or not. And if it does not work, there are similar extensions like these ones, and you can try other ones as well by just searching on the Chrome Web Store. To install it on the Edge browser, this is going to be a little bit tricky, but what you need to do, you need to head to the Google engine or the Google search, and you need to type Google Nonstop exactly as I have it right here. Once you have typed that and hit enter, the first one that you should see is going to be this one right here, YouTube Nonstop. Click that and it's going to take you to the Chrome Web Store. But before you click add to Chrome that says here, you need to head to the top right corner, click the little three dots, and you need to click where it says extensions. Right now in the bottom left corner, you need to click the one that says allow extensions from other stores. Because we have this disabled, you cannot add extensions from other browsers. So you need to enable that in order to download that extension on Edge. Once you have done that, refresh the page and click where it says add to Chrome. It's not going to actually download on Chrome, it's going to actually download it on Edge. Just click add extension and you will see it right here. YouTube Nonstop has been added to Microsoft Edge. And as I said, this works perfectly fine on Edge. I'm not sure about you, but I think it should work just fine without any issues. And yeah, that's everything. I hope this fixes your issue. If it does not, let me know in the comment section and I'll try to help you as much as possible. So yeah, that's a video guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section, I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section, I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya!